You can just hear it. Like, we have been driving like that for like 30 minutes. Just blasting like 2,000 hits. Also, we are extremely late and we should probably leave. Yeah. Oh, I see you.
Oh, I see you. Mom, you look so cute. I heard like whining from outside. I was like, that's probably them, honestly.
We don't whine.
Oh, wow. Bird on my key.
You know those dogs?
Oh. You're not supposed to touch it.
A little video, a bit of roof, a bit of roof.
It is
So we're doing cake wars, and my idea is that we do I Hate Valentine's Day.
We should put black and brown.
Wouldn't that be so funny if it was just like I Hate Valentine's Day?
Well, can we do princess cupcakes? How about we do both?
Okay, I need black frosting. Maddie, come down here. We have to bake cupcakes. I'm gonna kill her.
Who says you're not presidential? Who says you can't be in movies? Listen to me, listen to me. Who says? Can you tell me who says that? Yeah!
Oh, look at this.
What? Hi.
Go, it's go time! I dropped this out the door, out the door.
Oh my god. All right, back at it. All right, try two. What did you do? Mia! Open the door, open the door. Oh my god, stop.
Oh, this is so disgusting.
We are back at the store. Oh yeah, the oven's broken. We are going to get the same stuff and go back. I'm making princess cupcakes. May is making I Hate Valentine's Day.
We're making Valentine's Day.
Thoughts? I hate my daughter. You're no longer my favorite child. Back in.
My God.
Yep. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding?
What is on the counter?
Everything is going wrong.
You guys suck. I hate everything about this. We're done. This house has cursed me out. Go, put it up, I guess. Yeah, you're
Wow. Funny.
You can change your clothes, you can change your mind. It's just the way it goes.